Hello. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you the seven-figure freelancing client model game plan, how you go from 1 million to 10 million. So this is how it works. You pass the survival stage where you were earning 1 million. From that 1 million you got to 500k. From the stage 3 is 1 million per month. Stage 4 is actually 10 million. So let's see how we can build it. Now, the 1 million foundation, there are three pillars: the magnetic offers, which we've talked about in this course, organic hunting to a closing system. Talked about that in previous classes. Now, from 1 million to 3 million a month is increasing your price because you have to command premium rates and adding upsells and securing retainers. From 3 million to 5 million is all about what? Building small teams, automating your delivery, and taking more clients. Then from 5 million to 10 million is all about paid clients acquisition. That means you need to invest in advertisement, agency branding, and premium positioning. And what you just need to know is that everything that will help you win is referrals. You need to turn satisfied clients into um so you turn your satisfied client into your most powerful marketing channels. Ask them for referrals, more partnership, collaborate with complementary businesses to expand your reach. Then authority content, post content and be visible. Pitfall to avoid is common mistake: avoid the shiny object syndrome. Stay focused on proven strategy that has worked instead of chasing new opportunity. Overpromising will kill your business. Build reputation through consistent delivery and realistic commitment. Scale without trying trying to scale without your systems. If you establish proper processes before attend, you need to establish proper processes before attending rapid growth. That has killed a lot of people. Now, this is how your success will just go. If you start from even 100k, you're struggling as freelancer to get consistent income. The next step is just to apply all these principles and move to a 1 million naira per month. Move to an 18 use move to a 10 million naira per month after like 18 months, or in all. The 6 million naira per that is the 1 million naira per month is just applying the systems that I've taught. Nobody is perfect, but when you start, you grow. You grow. Just It's all about growing and believing in yourself. So all you just need to do is to follow the roadmap. The roadmap is: start small, increase your monthly income, and you go. So small steps, bigger numbers. Your freelancing journey can fund your freedom. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your income transform through thousands, from thousands to millions. Take action now. Begin with the 1 million naira per month foundation and progress through each stage systematically. This is me just saying congratulations for coming to the end of this program, and I know that you know you've gotten value regardless of how these classes were delivered. The practical sessions and the theoretical sessions, I'm sure that every one of them was impactful to you. All you just need to do is make me proud by trying your best. Don't depend on everything you're taught here. Still go and start brainstorming more. Your job is to get results. When you get results, I'll be so happy. To make me look like, yes, I did the right thing by staying up late researching just to gather this information for you. Congratulations, and put your hands together for yourself if you're listening to me right now. See you in the next one, and see you earning 10 million naira per month and more.